Hey friends, this is TKD. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. As a part of this series, today we are going to learn about this trailhead course for Lightning Flow, basically customizing how records gets approved with approvals. And this is a pretty good, like, detailed explanation about how approvals work. So, and the Today our main task is to get on the hands-on challenge and get to earn 500 points for that. And for this, we need to first check whether our account object type has these pick list values. So let me go to my setup and see and whether does my account object has these values. Sorry, go to object manager and let me check the accounts. Let me go to the fields and see the account type. Does it have the pick list values? So yeah, I do have pick list values as customer, as pending, and as prospect, which is what mentioned here. Now, as a part of this, I need to go to the Jumpstart wizard. For that, I will go to my setup. I will go to the approval. I will go to the approval process, and herein I need to select the account. Yeah, account object is already selected. I click on the use Jumpstart wizard, and then I'll give the name, the approval process name must be approved new account. I'll paste the name, tab it, and the unique name is populate, will get populated. The other is the criteria, the entry criteria. So I need to pick any email template. So let me claim and let me save the support case response email template. And the next criteria is select the entry criteria. Entry criteria is like account type equals prospect. So let me select the account type as equals prospect. And the other thing is account employee is greater than 500. So account employees, where is the employees account employees greater than 500. And the next stage is to automatically for approver, I need to automatically assign to approver and assign myself as an approver. So automatically I need to assign myself, and for that I will select myself, and the next thing is click and assign myself as approver. Click on save the approval process. Now the next stage is to click view the approval process stage, so which we did right now. Now we have to finish up the remaining requirements, and for that we need to go to the initial submit section, and we need to go to the initial submit section and click on field update, and that updates the account type field to pending. Now here we need to select the account type and the specific value as per the requirement is to pending, and the name of the action should be this. Do the tab, click on save. So now this has been created. Now the next requirement is Now the next requirement is in the final approval section, which is this guy. I need to I need to have a field update action that updates the account and make it the account type field should be made as customer. So field as update. Account type should be have a specific value as customer, and the name given should be account type to customer. We'll do the tab. It will automatically give the unique name, and just click on save. And in the final rejection section, we need to add the account type field as prospect. So we will update, and we will no, we did a small mistake. This is account type to prospect. Should be prospect, and the type should be prospect, which is this guy. I think I missed this in the final approval sections, account section. I did the record lock section to unlock the record. So let's go ahead and unlock the record. Unlock the record for editing. Click on save. And I think then we need to activate. Now we need to simply activate this approval process. So this has been activated. Now let's see whether we are able to earn the 500 points, which is our milestone for now. And let's see. Tick tock 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 tick tick tick. Da, 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 da. Woohoo! You got a new shining badge on your profile. And that's pretty much it, guys. Don't forget to subscribe on my channel, TKD Health Tips, and keep rocking and stay safe and keep watching. Bye bye.